Oh God, I got a good one. All right, what's up, YouTube?
Hey, y'all.
Welcome back to Sloan and Thomas Outdoors. For the newcomers, I'm Thomas.
And I'm Sloan.
We welcome y'all to our channel.
Yep.
Today, we are going to take this little creek up under the bridge behind us, go to a bigger creek and try to
catch some fish.
Yeah, a little bit of creek fishing, try to catch whatever bites.
So y'all come along and see what we get today.
Yeah, we're gonna have a good time. We hope you guys enjoy it. And if you haven't already, like and subscribe our channel. We really appreciate you guys that have already done so.
Yeah, we love you guys.
Yeah, we love y'all.
We love y'all.
We hope y'all enjoy. Y'all stay tuned. All right. My turn.
There's $1. Get it.
You found $1 right here, you guys.
Oh my gosh, look at that $1. That's so funny.
There we go.
Oh
That's a
my
good find on the creek. $1 richer.
That's crazy.
Oh, we're gonna hit him.
It's the big way right there. Yeah. Keep going this way. Yeah. There's nothing. Yeah, there's nothing right
Yeah. Okay, let me get up to. Okay. It feels good. All right, we're out of the tunnel. We got a little shallow. We had to abandon the ship.
Because this one I have to just kind of,
Oh, got one.
Baby?
I don't know. It feels like a little brim or something.
But still, that drag.
We got one.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that's like a brim.
All right. On the double
Nice little
jig.
bluegill. He went for the mep.
The double jig.
A little yellow mep. He went for it.
I'm gonna set my drag leg.
Oop, he's gone. Didn't even get a look at him. What just happened?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
That's a huge white perch.
Gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my god. That just came out of nowhere.
Yeah, was your lock.
Wow.
Gone. They don't lose them.
Come on.
Don't hang them over the water.
Look at this monster. I can't get him off. But he is a big boy. Okay, I got him off. Gosh, he just hit like a big boy coming out of nowhere. Y'all saw that? Look at him, y'all. He's a perch. Woo.
Oh God, I got a good one.
Oh, yeah. Hold on. Let me go for it. Go down.
He got a. No, I got him. I still got him.
Oh, yeah, that's a big old monster. Get him in the boat.
Trying.
Yeah, that's a big old bass.
That's a good one.
Dang.
All right, y'all.
That's awesome, babe. Look at that thing.
Nice fish. He nailed. I don't know, maybe about going on 2 pounds. Oh, look, y'all. He's been eating crawfish. You see the crawfish antennae coming out of his mouth there? That's sick. Nice fish. That's a nice bass, babe.
Yeah.
Yeah. He was pulling my drag for a second there. My drag was too loose. All right, y'all. We got a nice fish.
I just got one, babe.
Did you?
Crappie, yeah.
That's awesome. He's gone.
Right here.
All right, babe. Get him in, baby. What you got there? Ooh, a slab daddy.
As I suspected.
All right, babe. Nice fish.
Slabby. Woo. Oh, they're slippery. Okay, you ready? Put them back.
We'll let him go.
Let them go.
It looks like a good size, but we'll let him go.
Boom.
He's
They must be over there then.
He's gone. He went down there.
Oh yeah.
What?
Oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice one.
They've got another one. Nice. Get him in.
I need to set my drag loose.
How are you catching the crappie?
I don't know. I told you. Oh,
All
yeah.
right, man. That's a keeper.
Look at that one. That one's a definite keeper.
Yeah, put that one in
10.
the bucket.
He's definitely 10.
Let's catch some more.
You can just tell, you know.
Yeah. Look, look, I just had a bite.
Here, pull it with the...
I don't know where my line's at.
Okay. Got something?
Yep.
The crappie daddy got his crappie.
Finally. Nice crappie.
He's a keeper.
Nice crappie, y'all. All right. We got on a little school, but they're hard to get to bite.
I got one.
All right.
Woo, it's a bass, baby. What's up, baby? What's up? Shake it, shake it. Yeah. Okay, Mr. Swallower, don't hook me. Whoa! I got him. For me, I got it out. It's like in the top of his mouth.
Why don't you take one of the selfies like I take here and kind of hold the fish close?
Okay, bud.
Yeah, straight down.
Bird's right
I got it.
there.
Not too bad.
Take it.
Ooh, I got one. Yeah. I don't know what it is.
Oh, it's a bass. I know.
They pulled.
That's a, what is that? Perch?
Yes, that's a perch. That's a perch.
Oh, yeah.
Good size white
I
perch.
got him out. There's fish on right over here, dude.
Good size little perch.
What are you using? The white and yellow?
The gray.
Oh, you got the gray?
Yeah.
Where'd you catch him at?
Oops. Get back here, perch. Don't poke me. Don't poke me. Nice little white perch, guys. That's a keeper. Not a size limit on the perch, and they're good eating too. All right. What's up, y'all? We're finishing up our trip on the creek. We caught some fish. It was a nice day. Did you have fun, son?
Yeah, I did.
We're waiting on the fall bite. It's gonna be awesome when they start really hitting the big ones. And
We got on a crappie school, though.
yeah, we got in a little school, but they were real finicky. They didn't want to bite, but I'm sure they're there. You know, they just don't want to bite really right now. But we got a few of them. It was a good day. We got some catches. If y'all enjoyed it, subscribe and like. It really helps us out. And we will catch y'all on the next one. All right. Peace out.